Okay, you're muted. But this is Thomas together with Sampriti. We're just going to do a quick pairing session on some website 1 issues. Hopefully your audio starts working soon.
It's working.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Great, great. Let me share my screen. I don't have much time. I promised my family that I'll be with them for a while. And I guess it's getting late at your location as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was your okay? What we are doing now, we are using. Let's see here. What server are we using? We are using the Unicorn server, right?
Yeah.
And your idea was that we could.
Use a more lightweight server like Thin or Puma, which uses, which I like, as far as I've read, it uses much less memory. Let me open one article. Okay, I've read it somewhere.
Okay, can you link to where where I can find where I can find any information about the server, how to configure it or stuff like that?
Okay. Yeah.
Let's see, because we are setting settings. Where's the Unicorn initializers? Okay.
Yeah, there's a Heroku article on that. So.
Let me just write. Okay. Me and some pretty is in EP session if you want to join us. Let's see here what you got there for me. Prove my web server. Okay. Now the thing is that we have a little messed up develop branch right now on GitHub.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't touch that. What I have to do, I'm going to create a pull request from staging down to develop. But how about us creating a pull request? We could work on creating a pull request to staging and setting that server up.
Okay. Yeah, that would be, I guess. Yeah. Because I like looking at the revert pull requests that were going on. I didn't really make much sense out of that. But
Yeah.
I knew that something was wrong. So.
Yeah. I was trying, with all those reverts and stuff like that, I was trying to roll back step by step certain code. But the problem with using that interface on GitHub, it didn't allow me to roll everything back. So it just actually created a mess out of everything. So I kind of gave that up. And what we need to do, we have to get a clean code on down to develop. I have a copy of that branch called develop copy in the main repo, but yes, but fortunately we have everything, all the latest commits and all the latest PRs merged into staging, so we can restore everything on the develop branch as well. It was a calculated risk. I spoke to Sam about this, and we weren't sure whether this method was actually going to work for us or not. So, and it backfired a little bit on me. So, but again, hopefully, I can restore everything.
Yeah.
Later on. So cool.
I'm
Amy, how you doing, Amy? Nice to have you.
Hey, I'm okay.
All right, your first time with us, I guess. I haven't paired with you before. Are you trying to set up the website 1 project, and you were failing on On what?
I was failing on step 4, so should I share my screen?
It could be a good idea. Connection to Unix domain. So, okay, are you on a VM or no? You're on a Mac. In a yes. You have. What do you have? Mavericks installed? What OS version are you working on?
10.9.
Yeah, she's on Maverick.
Okay, okay. And you have problem connecting to the. So she has problem connecting to the PostgreSQL database. Yes, connection
Yeah.
activity.
So I'm not sure whether Postgres is like Xcode, where it's installed on my machine and all of my Ruby projects will be using it, or whether it's like the other gems, where it's specific to each project and it's in that project folder.
Okay.
Postgres is like a whole database. It's a database app, so it's independent of the projects that you have. So,
So I
you
had
just
to install. I was working through the Rails girls tutorials.
Okay, and where did you install Postgres from? And how did you install that?
I used, let's see.
Where everything is located. I think
okay.
this command did for me, the one I'm gonna paste into the chat window here. Oh. When you install PG, and the difference is that you see the Postgres 93.app. Some users has to change that to just Postgres.app without the 93. The 93 is the version number.
I see.
Well, I think you have to omit the quote at the very end. But I think that if you run this command,
okay, and this is. Where is this?
Are you seeing your chat window?
Ah, yeah. Okay. So run the
but
command.
I can post you a link to this page. It's on our GitHub wiki. So
okay, great.
The last, if you open your chat window, there it is.
This is good to have.
But in the meantime, while you're running this, how about if you could pull the latest code from staging and change that, this Unicore configuration and set that up with what was it called, Puma, right?
Yeah, I think that I did it once in the past, like on on one of my 50 branches on local, so it might be hidden somewhere. I'll have to search for it. I think I've already done that, but if it's not, I'll just do that again. It'll take a few minutes.
Yeah, and see, because again, I can't stay too long right now. But if you could prepare a pull request with that, I could try to merge this in later tonight, and perhaps tomorrow, if you're free. I'm getting up fairly early, my time. So and you're a few hours ahead of me, I guess.
Yeah.
Are you speaking to me or to Sam?
To Sampriti.
Okay.
Right now. How are you doing, Amy? Did you run that command?
No, I wasn't sure whether you were giving me more instructions or whether you were talking to Sam.
Okay, no, I was talking to Sampriti. So, but just run that command and it's always a little tricky when we are, many people in Hangout. The server running issue. Are you getting a lot of errors there, or what's up? Could you?
I'm finding my place actually. Ah, okay. The command's entered. It's saying it'll take a while.
Thomas, can you have a look at the group chat?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, and I talk to you tomorrow morning. Okay. If you prepare something for me, just submit a pull request. I'll be online in an hour or something, or hour and a half again.
Yeah, I'll submit a pull request to staging, right?
To staging, yes, sir. Yes. Well, not sir. Yeah. Okay, Amy, I'm with you now. Sorry.
Okay. Looks like the make failed.
Okay. Could you increase the font on your terminal window a little bit?
Yeah. Let's see.
Command plus.
Okay.
PG connections. Make fail. Exit code 2. Oh, so okay. So if it's on 2 places.
Okay.
We could try that. Otherwise, I would need to have to do some research on it.
Okay.
See what he says.
Fail.
It fell again. Okay. All right, Amy. Listen, I'm gonna have to check with my notes.
Okay.
But I have to go now because I'm a little stressed. But I try to reach out to you later. Will you be online for some more time, or do you have what are your plans?
Yeah. I'm going to go away now for like I don't know 30, 45 minutes, but I should be around for most of the 4-hour period after that.
Okay. All right. Okay. I try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right.
Okay.
Wonderful. All right. I talk to you later.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye. So long.